Hello guys, today we are going to create this nice colorful text effect using After Effects, so let's get started. Open After Effects. Now create a new comp and name it colorful text. I am using 1920 plus 1080p at 24 frame per second. I make this effects 5 second long, but you are free to choose your own setting. Now create a new text layer and align it to center. I am using this font named Dr. Glitch. I give this font link in description. Now adjust the font scale as per your choice. Select the text layer. Now go to some second forward, then open rotation by clicking R, right click and select separate dimensions. Now make a keyframe in both, then go to first frame again. Now change the rotation value around 180 degree, then change the position towards downward till the text disappear. That look good to me. Now select the all keyframe and ease them. Now click Graph Editor. Change the graph just like this. Keep following me. Now open scale and add a keyframe here. Again go some frame forward and add a keyframe and change the value all the way 0. Good. Now select the all keyframe and ease them. Now click Graph Editor. Change the graph just like this. It's make the transition more smoother. That's look good to me. Now duplicate the text layer 9 times. But you are free to choose your own setting. Select from the second layer. And move forward each layer some frames just like this. Keep following me. Now select again the second layer, and change the layer colors individually just like this. Keep following me. Wow, that's look so colorful and bright. Now select the first layer and go to Effects and Preset. And search for Drop Shadow and apply to this text layer. Then, change some settings here. Now copy this effect and apply to all text layer below. Great. Now select the all layers and pre-comp it and change the name as colorful text, then hit OK. Again go to Effects and Preset, and search for Card Wipe, then apply to the comp layer and change these settings. Keep following me. Keep playing with these settings for better result. Then go to Effects and then Transition, then select Venetian Blind. Then go to first frame and change the transition completion to 85% and add a keyframe. Then go to 12 frame forward and change the value to 0. That's look good to me. Great, this is all for today, thanks. Hope you will learn something new in this tutorial. If so, then please hit the subscribe button. Like this video, comment on it and share with your friends. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. It will help me to grow and I can follow my passion more securely. Now enjoy.